This motivational story about procrastination will hit you hard if you have ever said, I will do it tomorrow. This is your wake up call. Watch before another day slips away. He had a notebook full of dreams, a hat full of ideas, and a heart that always said, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came, and when he finally decided to act, life had already moved on. This is a story about what procrastination really costs, not in money, but in regret. He was the kind of person who always had plans. I want to start a business. I will learn guitar. I'm thinking of writing a book. People around him admired his ideas, and he loved that. But what he did not realize was talking about dreams does not build them. Every day he would plan, but when it came to action, he found excuses. Not today. I'm tired. It's not the right time. I will do it next weekend. Week after week passed. Months turned into years. His notebooks filled up with goals, but not a single one was started. He had a stable job, enough money to survive, and distractions, endless distractions. Scrolling, series, friends, comfort food. He kept saying, at least I'm not failing. But the truth, he was not even trying. What he did not realize is that procrastination does not just steal your time. Every day he delayed, someone else took action. Every idea he shelved, someone else made real. And slowly, deep inside, he began to feel it. Maybe I'm not meant to succeed. But it was not fate, it was delay. One evening, while cleaning his room, he found an old letter he had written to himself at 20. It said, by 30, I will have my own business, I'll be in shape, I'll make my parents proud. He was 34 now, and none of it had happened. His hands trembled, not because he was scared, but because for the first time he realized, I thought I had more time. That night he could not sleep because dreams that you abandon don't stay quiet, they echo in your mind louder with every year you waste. That night he wrote a new letter, but this time no big goals, just one rule: whatever I say I will do it within 24 hours. He started small: 10 push ups, 1 page of writing, 1 cold email, 1 less hour of screen time. He stopped sharing plans and started building silently. Days turned to weeks. He started waking up early, started his own blog, launched a tiny online product, did not go viral, did not explode, but for the first time he felt alive. Now, years later, he tells people, I don't fear failure. I fear looking back at a life I didn't even try to build. Because procrastination feels safe, it feels easy, but one day it will hurt more than any failure ever could. You don't lose your dream in one big moment. You lose it in small delays. One snooze button, one I'll do it later, one more scroll. You don't need more time. You just need to stop wasting the time you already have. Tomorrow is a lie. The only real time you have is now. So, whatever your dream is, start. Not next week, not next month, now. Because the pain of discipline lasts minutes, but the pain of regret, it lasts a lifetime.